can hear some echo. Yes, good afternoon, everyone. Today we'll be starting with a new chapter of maths. That is just give me a second. Sorry for the delay. We are just trying a new setup today, just so that visibility is slightly better. Okay. Yes. So we'll be starting with the 5th chapter, that is expansion. Okay. And if anyone had attended my demo when we took it, in that we had discussed a few formulae that help us in this chapter. So I think a few formulae, if you all can help me with, that we might require over here is, one is a plus b the whole square. I hope you all know this formula. Yes. Can anyone tell me what the answer would be for this formula? Just a second. Okay, students, I've logged in with 2 IDs. So what I would like you all to do is, if you all are messaging me, how we used to do before, message on the one that I'm speaking from, where it only says Auric. Then I'll be able to see your answers on my cell phone. Okay. Otherwise, checking the messages will be a little difficult. So if you all are messaging me, message me on where my name is, where it is only Auric written. Right? The other one I've logged in with is Auric De Silva. So don't message on that, otherwise I won't be able to see your messages. So message me on this. So can we have a test, everyone? Can you all just message me quickly? Yes, I'm receiving a few. Perfect. Right. So yes, I think some people are writing it in their own way. So basically the formula that you all have told me is a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? This is what we had already discussed in the demo, but even if you all have not attended the demo, these are the few formulas that you all should know by heart. So I hope this part is clear now. Yes, then in that case, quickly also tell me what is the formula for a minus b the whole square. Can you tell me what is the formula for a minus b the whole square? Yes, the only change that will happen is that the plus 2ab will become minus 2ab. This will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. If you'll notice here, the a square remains same. Yes. Can you all see this? Yes. Can you all see this a square and this a square remains same? Same goes for b square and d square. Even here the sign is same. Whereas here, this will be plus 2ab and this will be minus 2ab. That is the only difference. this. Fine. Okay. One more thing that will help us in today's chapter is a formula that you all should know, that is a square minus b square. Can you tell me the formula for this? What is the formula for a square minus b square? I'm not receiving any messages. Probably you all are messaging on the wrong one. Yes, Himani has messaged correctly. Ishan Sardesai, Shreya, Raichand, Devin Dhuri. Okay, a lot of people know the formula there. Basically, this becomes a plus b and a minus b. Okay, so for today's exercise, basically we need to know these formulae. And I'll be adding one more. And that formula is this. Okay. X plus a and x plus b. This is a new formula that we are learning. Actually, it's not even a formula. It's basically we are solving these two brackets. We are multiplying them. Do you all know how to multiply this? Have you all? Normally, I think till 7th and all, you all must be multiplying numbers, probably single terms also. But here we are trying to understand how to multiply two brackets. We're trying to multiply these two brackets, this and this bracket. Okay. So I'll be explaining it to you all. See, what will happen is, can you all tell me how many terms are there in the first bracket? How many terms are there? Yes, Ishan has messaged correctly. There are 2 terms. And how many terms are in the second bracket? Again, there are 2 terms. Perfect. Now I think people are getting the idea where to message. Again, I'll repeat, where I've only written auric, message there. Okay, don't message where I've written auric December. Okay, so these two, we have to learn how to, both of them have 2 terms. Okay, so what will happen is the first term of the first bracket will multiply with both of them. For example, this x will multiply with both of them. That is, x will multiply with x and x will also multiply with b. So again, x will multiply with x and x will multiply with b. Now, tell me something, everyone. What will happen when I multiply x into x? What is the answer of x into x? For example, 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 3 is 9. Right? When you multiply the same things, you get square. So same logic, even x, see, when you multiply 2 into 2, you get 2 square. When you multiply 3 into 3, you get 3 square. Same way, x into x, yes, most people are answering correctly. You'll end up getting x square. X square. Perfect. Okay. Achha, what will happen when I multiply this x with this b? Wait, I'll just show it to you. Yes, what happens now when you multiply x into b? Yes, perfect. See, when you multiply 2 different numbers, now you get an answer. 2 into 3 is 6. But when you multiply alphabets, they don't give you a new answer. They just join together. So x into b is xb. Even look at the sign. See, x, if there is no sign over here, that is plus. Here there is plus. I hope everybody knows when you multiply the same signs, you get plus. So plus into plus is plus. So I'll write, and I'm writing. I'll write plus over here, and I'll write xb. That is when I multiplied x into b. Right? Okay. Same now, when we finish multiplied x into a, x into x and x into b, let us do the same logic for a into x and a into b. Okay. No, there is no a square. Someone is messaging a square. That is wrong. Let us start with a now. Tell me, what is a into x? What is a into x? Yes, ax. But here, since I've written xb, here also we could have written bx. So see, the best part about multiplying alphabets, whether you write xb or whether you write bx, is the same thing. So even here, if a into x, some people are saying ax or some people are saying xa, both mean the same thing. Dono ek hi hai. And can you all tell me what will be the sign when you multiply both of them? What will we get when you sign wise? जैसे a का sign इधर है plus, x का पहले कोई कुछ भी नहीं लिखा है, मतलब वो भी है plus. So what is plus into plus? Yes, everyone. What is plus into plus? Yes, perfect. So I think now everyone is getting the hang of this. So I'll write plus and I'll write xa or ax. Both mean the same thing. And now last one, everyone. Tell me what is a into b. Yes, a into b is ab. Perfect. Everyone is right. But also mention now the sign. A into b is ab. But what is the sign of that ab? Plus ab. Perfect. So now you'll have gotten. So if you'll know this, that means you all can actually do the first exercise sums by yourself. Okay. But what they are going to do is, okay. I hope everyone can read my handwriting. It'll get better, I feel. Okay. Now next, what they have told us is, rather than doing this long step of multiplying, yes. Now till now we were multiplying like this. They are saying don't multiply. They'll give you a formula by heart the formula. So rather than multiplying both the brackets one by one, what they are saying is starting में alphabet दिया रहेगा, x and x या a and a या b and b, कोई भी alphabet दिया रहेगा. That same alphabet directly start by writing square over there. तो अगर starting में a है और इधर भी a है, start with a square. यहाँ पे y है और यहाँ पे भी y है, start with y square. That is a given. समझा पहला step? So rather than learning the formula, let us understand it. So rather than multiplying it, we'll do it this way. Whatever alphabet is there, you start by writing the square of that. Okay. Then what they're telling us is, obviously, what is going to happen? Wait, I'll show you. Yes. If you notice in both of them, कोई alphabet same है क्या? In XB and in XA, is there anything same? You can see that, no? The alphabet X is same. जिसका square इधर लिखा है, वही part same है. So what they are saying is, don't write XB and XA, क्योंकि B और A कोई number रहेगा. Rather, what you all do is, you will put a plus sign, open a bracket. The numbers, write them first. Let's say A plus B, whatever the numbers are, and close the bracket. I hope you all will understood where the numbers came from. The numbers came from here. यहाँ पे A और B नहीं रहने वाला है, mostly numbers रहेगा. तो यहाँ पे 3 है और यहाँ पे 4 है, यहाँ पे 3 plus 4 लिख देना. यहाँ पे 7 है और यहाँ पे 8 है, यहाँ पे 7 plus 8 लिख देना. और उसके बाजू में directly write down that alphabet, that variable X. Okay. So this is, and one last part is remaining. The last part will be what we have written over here, that is AB. As I told you, A and B के जगह पे यहाँ पे जो इसके बाद रहने वो numbers रहने वाले. So rather than writing A, rather than writing it, opening the bracket form, write it directly A into B. Basically, it won't be A into B, it will be that those two numbers का multiplication. जैसे यहाँ पे अगर 3 है और इधर 5 है, then directly write over here plus 3 into 5. यहाँ पे 7 है और यहाँ पे 8 है, तो directly end में लिख देना plus 7 into 8. So I'll just complete that formula so you all can note it down. Ending में रहेगा AB. So this is the formula I want you all to write it down. Okay. So write it down, and while writing, learn it. What we'll do is every time we do the sum, we'll go over this logic. So in case anyone has even a small doubt, I'll make sure to clarify that. We'll do one or two sums today to get started with it. And next time when we meet, we'll elaborate on this. But by next time, I want you all to learn the 4 formulae. Okay. So make sure that you all are learning these formulae. जैसे ये first वाला, ये second वाला है, this is the third one, and this is the fourth one. Even in the fourth one, don't go for this step. ये नहीं चाहिए. Go for this one. Directly learn this formula. Okay. So I hope everyone is writing these formulae and message me done your yes when you all are done with it. Then I'll move on. We'll start with a few sums. For anyone who's not understood the last part, it's okay. I can assure you'll understand it in the sum. But write the formula. That is more important. Okay. I'll re-explain this when we're doing this. Okay, I think everyone has written it down. So let me just clear what I've done. Okay, let's get started then. I want everyone to come to practice at 5.1. First sum. Okay. First sum I'll explain. After that, I will pick one person. So the first sum I'm writing down. A plus 2 and A minus 1. Okay? This is very similar to what we had, x plus A, x plus B. आपको याद है यहाँ पे yes, here if you all remember there was x. फिर यहाँ पे there was A. अब A नहीं, अब नंबर है. मैंने बोला था A और B नहीं रहेगा, अल्फाबेट्स नहीं रहेगा, नंबर्स रहेगा. तो यहाँ पे अच्छा, tell me this everyone, message me, this is a very important part. Message me this, यहाँ पे A की जगह पे क्या है? What is there in place of A? Most people make a mistake here, so message me. What is there in place of A? Right, I can see yes. Perfect. I have only asked for A. Don't tell me what is there in place of B also. Most people will make a mistake in place of B. Okay? यहाँ पे A की जगह पे क्या है? सब लोग 2 बोल रहे हैं. Now tell me what is there in place of B. Here is where most people make a mistake. What is there in place of B? Yes, I can see most people. Okay, I can see Hitesh has not made a mistake. Hitesh has answered perfectly. Amrita has answered properly. Shreya Raichand has answered properly. Shubhra has answered properly. And the difference is this sign. अगर आप लोग देख रहे हो ना, ये माइनस है ना. There we had written x plus A, x plus B. दोनों प्लस था. प्लस को बोलो नहीं बोलो फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. You don't have to call this plus 2. We can even call it 2. तो A was 2. बट B जब आप बोलोगे ना, साइन को देख के बोलना. B will be -1. तो गलती से भी 1 मत बोल देना. Always say it with the sign. Okay. So one more time, everyone. Tell me both the answers together. What is A and B? Tell me both. What is A and B? Tell me dash and dash. वो dash and dash क्या रहेगा? Tell me both together in the same message. Don't tell me separate messages. एक ही message में बता what is A and B. A and B. Perfect. Some people are saying 2 with plus. Correct है, पर जरूरत नहीं. We don't have to say plus. But minus तो बोलना बहुत जरूरी है. Okay. So once you all have learned how to identify A and B, that solves most of our problem. Okay. Okay. Now let's start solving the sum. Okay. I think yes, everyone has gotten it correct. A is 2 and B is -1. Now let's get back to the sum. Let us solve it. If you all remember the formula, what we are supposed to do is जो भी पहला अल्फाबेट है ना, उसका स्क्वायर सीधा लिख देना. जैसे अगर पहला अल्फाबेट x होता है, then we'll write x square. अगर पहला अल्फाबेट a होगा, then what will we write first, everyone? What will be written first? सबसे पहला according to the formula, अगर पहला a और a है, yes, the first one will be a square. You're right. The first term is a square. Perfect. Okay, everyone is understanding this. Then सीधा उसके बाद प्लस लिख दो. फॉर्मूला में प्लस है तो अंदर सॉरी बाहर प्लस ही लिख दो. ठीक है, सब लोगों ने लिख दिया. Now after that we open the bracket and tell me inside the bracket फॉर्मूला में हम लोग a plus b लिखते हैं. करेक्ट ना? फॉर्मूला में inside the bracket we write a plus b, but यहाँ पे a plus b नहीं, a already यूज हो चुका है. यहाँ पे a और b के जगह पे हम लोग को 2 और -1 लिखना है, 2 and -1. So make sure when you write a, that is 2, and we can write plus and then -1, but plus minus minus ही होने वाला है, तो बीच में माइनस आएगा, -1. ठीक है, this is what will be there in the bracket, a square plus 2 minus 1. And what will be outside the bracket, everyone? X लिखोगे क्या आप लोग? ब्रैकेट के बाहर क्या लिखेंगे? What will we write outside the bracket? Yes, we'll write a. Okay. Now the last part is very important. Again, फॉर्मूला में प्लस है तो मैं तो प्लस ही लिखने वाला हूं अभी, पर इसके बाद क्या आएगा वो इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट? ओके, a and b is 2 and -1 and the last is ab. Now remember, in alphabets अगर हम लोग ने a b लिखा है और बीच में कुछ भी नहीं, उसका मतलब बीच में into है. Okay, if there is nothing in between, it means both are multiplying. So what we'll do is we'll write, अच्छा यहाँ पे जगह नहीं है तो यहाँ पे मैं लिख रहा हूँ, नीचे लिख रहा हूँ, बट आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है. Okay, here you have to write. I'm writing it below. What you all do is you all write in one bracket, you all write 2, and in another bracket write -1. Again, when you write two brackets together, it is basically they are multiplying. Okay, Amritul from Chembur, please turn off your video. Okay, so I hope you all have understood how to write it. A square, फिर 2 - 1 बाहर a लिखा था, this is a. I hope you all can understand that this part is a. फिर प्लस और उसके नीचे, उसके साइड में ही, उसके बाजू में ही लिखना था 2 × -1. Okay, now tell me everyone, message me yes if you have understood this step, because आगे के steps अभी तुम लोग से मैं करवाने वाला हूँ. Yes, has everyone understood this step? I've only gotten 2 people to message me till now. Yes, great. Ishan, okay, Ishan has not understood. Then next time I'll pick you to help me out. Okay, fine. Now what we'll do is just to finish the sum, ये सिर्फ solve करना है. तो पहला a square है, तो I'll write a square over here. This is 2 - 1. What is 2 - 1, everyone? Message me, what is 2 - 1? Perfect. तो बीच में प्लस है और 2 - 1 हम लोग ने 1 लिखा है, तो that is 1a. अब इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ये है कि we don't have to write 1a. ठीक है, 1a को हम लोग सिर्फ a लिखेंगे तो भी चलेगा. ओके, okay, next comes this 2 × -1. Can you all tell me what is 2 × 2 × 1? We all know is 2, but can you all tell me what is 2 × -1? -2. Perfect. तो यहाँ पे एक्चुअली प्लस था, पर जब मैंने इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई किया, मेरे को ब्रैकेट में -2 आ रहा है. -2 कैसे आ रहा है? बिकॉज 2 × 1 is 2. I'll show you. This 2 × 1, when you multiply numbers, that is 2, but 2 का साइन प्लस है, यहाँ पे साइन माइनस है, और मैंने आपको बोल दिया जब भी आप अलग साइंस मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, अलग साइंस, प्लस इंटू माइनस और माइनस इंटू प्लस, द आंसर विल बी ऑलवेज माइनस. ओके, फाइन. अब एक फिनिशिंग टच देते हैं, फिर सम खत्म हो जाएगा. The finishing touch is that let's not write anything that is unnecessary. जैसे a square will remain a square. ये मैंने आपको बोला है 1, देखो 1 छोड़ के और कोई नंबर लिखा है तो लिखना पड़ेगा, पर अगर 1 है then we don't need to write 1, we can just write a. Okay, and one more thing, दो साइन साथ में नहीं हो सकते, तो when you have plus and minus, multiply them. What is plus into minus, everyone? What is plus into minus? Perfect. I can see a lot of people are answering minus, so -2. This should be our final answer, right? Okay. Message me yes when you are done with the sum. Then what I'll do is, before stopping for today, I'll just pick up someone to help me out, and we'll, for next time, we'll learn the formula and key. Next time we'll make sure to do it properly. Okay. Yes, I can see everyone is done. I'm going very slowly so you'll understand it perfectly. And now I'm going to go for the next sum, right? The next sum is this, and now I'll be taking someone's help. Okay, Ishan, if your mic is not working, we'll have to do something about it. So next time, make sure if something about the mic can be done. Acha, now what we can do is, I would like those people to help me. I would like those people to raise their hand who want to help. Okay, I can see only a few people are interested in answering. Okay, only 4-5 people. Is that it? Okay, let me take Hitesh from Parla. Yes, Hitesh.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What you do is first start by telling me the formula. What is the formula of x plus a and x plus b?
Sir, can you speak again? I have a network issue.
I'm telling you. First, can you tell me the formula of x plus a into x plus b?
Yes, sir. X
Tell me.
square, x square.
अच्छा एक सेकेंड ना, when you said x square, basically जो पहला अल्फाबेट है उसका स्क्वायर लिखने का.
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Then plus
हाँ,
bracket a plus b.
बट a plus b की
Bracket.
जगह पे नंबर्स रहने वाला है, करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, फिर ब्रैकेट क्लोज के बाद
X.
मतलब वापस वही अल्फाबेट आएगा.
Yes, sir.
और एंडिंग में
Plus ab.
हाँ, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय ab?
A into b.
Perfect. That is important. आपको पता रहना चाहिए that AB is A into B. Okay. So tell me, सबसे पहला फॉर्मूला x स्क्वायर था ना, बट यहाँ पे x नहीं, यहाँ पे m है, तो सबसे पहले क्या लिखो?
M square.
Perfect. Okay. तो m स्क्वायर, फिर क्या लिखना चाहिए?
Plus.
Plus. Yes, Hitesh, first, now we'll be opening the bracket, correct?
Yes, sir.
But to write inside, you should know what is A and B. Can you tell me what is A and B?
Sir, A is -4 and B is 6.
Perfect. So tell me now inside the bracket what to write.
-4.
-4.
Bracket closed.
No, A plus B है ना, आपने अभी सिर्फ A लिखा है आपने.
Okay, sir. Plus 6.
Plus 6, perfect. So A was, see this I'm underlining, this was A and now plus 6, this is B. ठीक है?
Bracket closed and X.
X है क्या इधर अल्फाबेट?
Sorry, sir. M.
M. ओके. फिर कौन सा साइन आता है?
Plus.
प्लस. अच्छा, I don't have space here, so मैं नीचे लिख रहा हूँ. What will be there in the first bracket?
-4.
-4. And what will be there in the second bracket?
6 into 6.
6. Perfect. You understood till here?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, अब थोड़ा कैलकुलेशन बच गया, वो करते हैं. What will happen to m square? Tell me. This m square.
M square. M square.
M square. It will remain as it is. Okay. Acha, tell me now. Wait, yes. Tell me this 4 and 6 का साइन सेम है या अलग है?
अलग है सर.
अलग है. अलग है मतलब हमें ऐड करना चाहिए या सब्ट्रैक्ट करना चाहिए?
Subtract.
Very good. I'll just explain that again. As I've told you all, whenever we see same signs, no, we add, and whenever we see different signs, we subtract. तो यहाँ पे जब subtract करो, tell me what is 6 minus 4?
2.
2, perfect. Okay,
Plus
I'll write 2. 2. Acha, how did you come to know plus 2? Why not minus 2?
Because the sign of greater magnitude is written.
Perfect. Out of these two, the greater number is 6. उसका plus है तो इधर भी plus आएगा. If 4 was the greater number, then minus आता है. Okay, so I'll write minus. अच्छा,
Sir,
don't forget
plus.
m. Sorry, plus 6 था. हाँ, right. अच्छा, what is the alphabet?
2 है. M.
M, no? So M will come
Yes.
after that. अच्छा, यहाँ पे मैं प्लस ही लिख देता हूँ और ब्रैकेट में इसका आंसर लिखता हूँ. Tell me what is 4 into 6?
24.
Perfect. अच्छा, एडिशन में है ना, we look at the bigger sign, but in multiplication we multiply these two signs. Minus into plus. What is minus into plus?
minus.
तो यहाँ पे 24 के साथ माइनस आएगा. ठीक है. अच्छा, now let's just finish the sum. लास्ट स्टेप में m स्क्वायर को m स्क्वायर ही लिखेंगे, प्लस 2m लिखेंगे. But what will happen to this minus and plus, Hitesh?
So minus plus will be minus.
Okay, so this will become minus
20.
24. This is the answer. Have you understood, Hitesh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ishan, message me if you have understood. If not, we'll discuss it next time properly. Okay, and by that time, hopefully, you will also be able to answer. Yes, thank you, Hitesh, for answering.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah. Now, I think I'm done with the time. Fine, everyone. So